In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Evernote account, a decision you might be considering for a variety of reasons. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital tools or simply move on to another platform, closing an account can sometimes feel a bit daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process, step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into Evernote Web. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Evernote login page. Enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on Evernote's web interface. This is your starting point, where all your notes and notebooks are accessible. Once you're logged in, you need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your account's profile icon or your initials. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu, from which you'll select the Account Info option. This section is your go-to for all things related to account management and settings within Evernote. After you've clicked into Account Info, keep an eye on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll spot a tab labeled Profile. Give that a click. It might take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll see an overview of your profile details, which includes information like your email address and subscription status. Now, here's where the crucial step happens. On this profile page, look carefully for the option that says Close your Evernote account. This will be a blue link, so it should stand out against the background. Click this link, and you'll be taken to the final steps of the closure process. At this stage, Evernote wants to make sure you're certain about this decision. You'll see a confirmation checkbox that you need to acknowledge. It serves as a reminder that closing your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Make sure you've saved any notes or data you need before proceeding. With that box checked, click the Continue button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that the person closing the account is indeed you. Type in your password carefully, double-checking for any mistyped characters because security matters. Finally, once your password is accepted, click the Close Account button. And there you have it. Your Evernote account is now closed. It's always a good idea to check your email for any confirmation messages to ensure the process is complete. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about this process or anything else, feel free to leave a comment below.